we're heading to the annual swap meet we have here. I'm in the Jimmy, and we're just getting ready to leave to drive over there and hopefully sell some junk. I got some stuff in the back and maybe buy some stuff too. So let's go.
Apologies in advance about that. It's in like a different area than it usually is this year. It's really weird. I had to do a lot of off-roading through this gravel parking lot to find a spot. They have a show and shine here as well, so some cool cars driving around. So I made it and found Rob. We're at his booth set up now here. How much for this carpet? It's pretty dirty.
Yeah, I don't know. 30 bucks. So a carpet. Carpet, that's a carpet.
Got some headers over here. Rob always brings a bunch of stuff to the swap meet. Cool
my
stuff.
S10 headers and mounts already. Old small block. Some other stuff.
Yeah, that wind noise is gonna be bad, guys. Yeah. I only brought one thing, well, two things. LS computers. Ready to start. Ready to start. Buy them, guys. As you can tell, guys, it's a little windy out here today. Tricky to be selling stuff. There's definitely lots of cool stuff, though. Look at all these cans. We could. Oh, look, it's the one from same can as at the junkyard.
Oh yeah,
Just go check out how much he wants for it.
Yeah, probably is the one. Cobra jet intake there. Oh yeah. Dynavision. Did Rich just put some of that on his band?
Oh wow. Speaking of Beatles. Thanks.
Have one of those on your kit? It's on a Crown Vic frame. Or is it?
Unibody Fred truck. Nice. Not too many cars here in the car show area today, but look at that Suburban. That's nice. Picking up a model.
Wind's gonna blow them away right away.
Oh yeah, that's why it's been ridiculous trying to keep stuff on.
Jeez.
It's the back corner for stuff.
Oh, it's just windy like crazy everywhere. Mustang 2 model for you, Clayton. Did you see that one I put in the chat yesterday? Yeah. Cobra.
Firefighter. That's fun. Huh. Nice. 2 o'clock now. Basically everyone's packing up. Super windy out here. Saw some people lose some stuff, get blown across the parking lot, which sucks. We didn't end up actually getting anything ourselves. Rob sold a bunch of stuff. I only brought 2 GM ECMs to sell. They didn't sell, unfortunately, but one guy was interested in me tuning his computer later on, so maybe that'll pay off in the future. Back to the rafters, eh?
Yep.
Another year. What's the grand sales total?
I don't know. I didn't total it up yet. That's it for another year of this swap meet. I made, what did you say, 250 bucks?
Not bad.
What is that?
Everyone's done swapping their meat.
Yeah.
Street sign? Are you looking at?
No, that white dirty van behind the traffic light. I think that's a Corvair van.
Huh. Let's go investigate. Wowzers.
Better days. But I should get these for my front driveway.
They steal?
Yeah. With the big spikes on top that you can put blood on them already.
Pre-blooded.
It's van box.
This place sure cleared out fast. Only just after 2 still now. Everyone's gone. Started about 8 a.m. this morning, so good 6 hours of swapping some meat. If you guys have any swap meets in your area, you should definitely check them out. There's always cool stuff and good deals and people to talk to about car stuff. There was one deal I wanted to get for myself today, and it was a pair of first gen Camaro bumpers, apparently for 20 bucks, Rob said. He thought it might have been 70 or 20, but we went back to go look and try to buy them from the guy, and he was gone, unfortunately, so missed out there. But for this S15, I always thought some first gen Camaro bumpers molded in and worked the right way would look really cool. It's about a week later now, May long weekend. We're about to go cruising, and some of you wanted to see some more footage of this car cruising, see it under power a little bit, maybe making some smoke off the tires. So that's what we're gonna do to close out this video that started at the swap meet. Thought Rob was gonna turn there. I ended up leaving the S15 at home tonight. It needs a couple things to be, well, it wasn't roadworthy before, but it's getting like really about to fall apart mode now. So left it at home. We're cruising in Clayton's 2011 5-liter Mustang right now. Grabber blue, you guys have seen in videos. Mustang Bros.
At the gasoline station, Rob likes his gas like he likes his women. Husky.
Super nice Mr. Chrome Cobra there too as well. So Rob kind of started going into it in another video. Sunday night is like just known as cruise night here. Everyone in Winnipeg that's into cars kind of just knows, and everyone cruises down Main Street, which is right here, and Portage Avenue, which we're going to be heading to go to our cruising spot, which we usually sit and chill at.
And there's Motion Performance.
Yeah. Motion Performance, best performance shop in the city right there. We've mentioned it before to other people from other places that like cars, and they're like, cruise night? So I don't know, it might be Winnipeg. Let us know in the comments.
I think a lot of
Is
people
it unique?
do Friday night, some people do Saturday night. Some people do Wednesday night.
Yeah, we definitely do Wednesday night
doesn't
live
work
stream,
for us.
guys, if you are not aware. There's the cruising spot right there. You can see Fuck's hanging out with Papa John. Look guys, it's a rare Marcel sighting. Everyone in the comments post where's Marcel. One of the garage queens you may have seen in a previous video has escaped.
Are we on the air?
No, not live, just videos.
Evidence.
Yeah.
I didn't bring my speeder with me though, but I was using it at the track yesterday.
Look at this, guys. The video I just posted today showed you this car, and here it is on cruise night.
Oh, I wanted to get my SPP merchandise, but he wasn't home.
So he put a Vegas shirt on instead.
I know where you can get an SPP Sucks shirt.
Yeah.
That's what
where
I
he
was
went.
looking for, but he wasn't there.
Check out the previous video for under the hood and this thing running, but it's a 1966 Chevelle SS or Malibu SS, 283 4-speed original car, Canada only, and the interior is just sweet, super old school, love it. So now we're cruising on up Portage, gonna go up Main to the Tim Hortons we usually go to, in the Nova now with Rob. The Chevelle right here with us. From behind, that's basically what it looks like too. on, we're back at RFG. I actually got some pretty cool cruising footage tonight anyway. At least I hope it turns out cool. I can't see on the GoPro, so I was pointing it in the right direction of coolness. Hopefully it turns out.
Good cruise night.
Yeah, actually, really good cruise night. So that'll be all for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the swap meet and the cruising and all the stuff we do. That's, yeah, because this is going to be at the end of the swap meet video. So.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
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 Check you later.
Yeah. Yeah. As always, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Really helps us out when you like the videos, so get those likes up, and we'll have some more content for you soon. So check you later.